I'm Phil and I review stuff, and today I'm looking at something brilliant. Well, that's what the name suggests. Brilliant Directories. What's a directory? It could be a directory about just about anything. It could be a local business directory. It could be to do with your type of business. It could be a fitness directory with all the personal trainers. It could be a trade directory with all the trades. And of course, when you set up a directory, you can get all of those trade members to join and pay a subscription because they all want leads. In all of my videos, there is a link, and that link is always updated. It's the latest link where you will get the best deal on the software that I am demonstrating or reviewing. And do subscribe to my channel just because today. Cheers. Hope you enjoy my stuff. Let's jump in and let's have a look at Brilliant Directories. This is the dashboard. This is where you will come when you set up your site. I'm actually using their demo version because it's already pre-populated and I can show you all the features without me having to set up one on my site because I haven't got a membership directory just yet. Let's see if this video makes me want to get one. So that's the back end. We'll go through that in a minute, but also the front end now. So this is the kind of website or directory that you will be able to create. And there you go. Scroll through. I like the look of that. Obviously, you'll be able to create it and make it look like your own, change all of the photos and images, but you'll be able to have people come on and search for a service or a product in the area, and there's a listing of all the people who've joined who will be paying you a monthly subscription and all of the different categories. So this one's set up as a generic directory. Possibly this could be used for someone's town where you live, and it's got cars, arts and entertainment, things that are going on in your area. It is another one of my businesses that I've never set up, but I've always thought, yes, a local directory is a great way to get regular subscriptions. And once they're all paying in the directory, as long as it's a reasonable fee, people will pay for life. So we look through on the dashboard, and we'll go down the left now and let's see how it works. So you've got your dashboard there and your home page, and that's where you can visit the website. You've got your members there and all the membership categories. This is where you go to your website builder. That's where you can customize your page. This is where you've got leads from your members and you can follow them up and chase them, and these are the membership plans. So you can set up, say, a bronze, a silver and a gold package, and obviously the gold package, they'll probably appear at the top of the listings. Here's where you can reply to emails, and there is just the general settings. So the first thing we're going to look at is editing the membership plan. So when you set it up in your directory, you can decide what levels they can have. So here's the membership plans, and you can set this up. You can add a new membership plan on the right. But on this particular site, you've got the general user plan, which is a free account, and then you've got your bronze, your silver, and your gold. And if you go to the sign up page for the gold plan, if they're thinking of joining the directory, this is what they would see. And it tells you what they get from the gold plan, and then you can click sign up. There's your membership plans. Now we're going to jump to the members. So these are all members. Now you can either manually add the new members on the right there, or once they join and sign up to one of the plans, they will automatically be listed in here, and it's got a very good search. You can see you can search them by just the name. So if I want to search for Enrique and click search, I've just seen that name there, that's why I pressed it. There is our only Enrique. He's a plumber. There you go. Ooh, I like it. So you can, really good search there of all of your members. You can find out when they joined, what category they're on, what their subscription is, and of course you can add new members, and it can find out how much revenue you've made, how much money you've made from their subscription, and all of those members will be listed there. We go back to the dashboard. And now we go to member categories. So if this was a business of firms that provide a service like plumbers, electricians, each one of these categories could be for, you know, a plumber, a car mechanic. But this one is a general one, you see. So here's all the different categories, and it tells you how many members you've got in each category. So one's called beauty spas. You can put a picture. I like this a lot. I'm going to set up a directory now. I'm going to be a busy boy, me, doing all of these things. Yeah, so you can set up all of the different categories, and you can say what kind of service it is, and it'll have a direct link on the page, and that is the link that will appear on the home page. And of course, if you want to add new categories, the top level ones are the ones that will appear in the home page. You can also have sub-level categories. Let's click on that quickly. So a sub-level category might be more specific. So for example, it might be beauty and health. Some of the specific categories in beauty and health could be laser hair removal, or you could have Botox. I'm not saying you should have Botox, but you can have it as a category. And there are the categories. I like the layout of this. It looks really good. It seems quite easy to use. Also down the left here, so you've got your members, you've got your categories, and now your web page builder. Let's have a look at web page builder. So here's the website builder page, and all of your pages are listed there. You can click add a new web page. Let's edit one of the web pages. I'm not going to get too into the website design. Right, so it looks quite easy to do. You can simply click. What you see is what you get, they call it, don't you? Where you can adjust something on the site, you actually see it, and you're able to adjust everything and change it. Add images. Looks like it's a quite simple setup, so you don't really need design skills to add pages and change. And let's just go back. Is it easy to add pages? Yeah, add a new web page. There's a listing of your pages, sort the order, do everything that you can on a simple website builder. So the web page looks really good. You can also manage the SEO there and manage all your posts and your settings. I saw on the homepage before, you can add banner ads, maybe from a different company on the homepage, and adjust it. Your member leads is where if people are thinking about joining, you'll get messages there. And the member reviews, these are people. Let's just have a look at member reviews. Okay, so that's a great feature, actually, member reviews. So if people leave a review for any of the specific businesses, you can have a look at that review and accept it, or maybe one of your customers contacts you and says, listen, this person I've never met before left me a bad review. And you can look into it and possibly delete that review or adjust it. So yes, you can monitor and keep an eye on all of the reviews. Here is all the forms you can set up on the website, and then you can attach them to different web pages. It might be an inquiry form if someone's thinking of joining. It might be an inquiry form from people who are just viewing the site, who want to find out more about different businesses. So you can set up all your forms there. That's down the left. To manage your sidebar, to manage the look of the site. And then just the general settings, where you can manage the menu on your website, the sidebar, what people see down the side, and also manage your forms. And then general settings is the design settings, the color of your website. And that's more or less it. I like it. Down the right, you can see it's got your financial snapshots, how much money you've made, how much is due to you, how many members you've got, and how many inquiries you've had in that you've got to follow up. So there's the front end. That's what your site will look like. And I think it's a very clean design. I like the look of it. And here is the back end, which looks quite easy to use and isn't going to take too long for you to master. So would I use Brilliant Demo? Possibly, if I get more hours in the day. I've always thought about setting up a local directory of all the businesses in my area, and I still don't think there's a really good one for my hometown. But if I was doing, yes, I would use it, because just having a look through the demonstration site and looking at the features, it's got everything you need, all of the subscription levels, an easy way to look at the members, a great little front end, and a really good website. And it looks like it does everything you need to set up a fantastic membership site. Is it versatile? Yes. Can you do just about everything to do with a membership directory on it? You definitely can. Would I recommend it to friends? I'd recommend it to anybody who's thinking up of maybe setting up a sideline business, or maybe you are in the trade and you're thinking of setting up a directory. It's a really good tool if you're considering setting up a membership directory. The link in this video is always the best link with the best price, and I update it regularly. So please have a look at that link and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. And I'll see you next time.